Since the time of the Romans, we've known that lead is a poison. And not only does it harm the blood, the liver, the kidneys, the brain is particularly susceptible to lead poisoning. Numerous studies show that the amount of lead in the blood is correlated with decreases in intelligence later on and increases in hyperactivity, distractibility, impulse control problems, and probably even criminality. ADHD diagnoses are clearly linked to blood levels of lead, and it is one of the best known physical environmental factors which can contribute to the development of ADHD. Biggest contributor to lead poisoning or chronic lead poisoning, and I will call it lead poisoning even though it's not acute and these people weren't all about to die, was leaded gasoline. And in the 60s and 70s, the median blood level of lead in Americans was above 15 micrograms per deciliter. Currently, the CDC says a level of concern would just be as low as 3, so it was 5 times higher than that. Since the U.S. banned lead in gasoline starting in the mid-70s, lead levels have gone down, but there are still point sources that are problems, including old lead house paint. There's at least 9 million water mains in the U.S. that are still using lead to convey water into people's houses. One of the many toxins within coal burning is lead. Completely ridiculous that the government is now attempting to get us to burn more coal while simultaneously exempting polluters from removing arsenic, lead, and other contaminants which we know harm people.